Okay guys, on June 7, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of Zebra haworthia. Botanically you can also call it as Aloe attenuata. Now we will try to propagate it from the side pups. So now I am just taking one of my side pup. Okay, so I am facing a little difficulty and now I take one of my side baby plant. Now I am going for the second one, and this is my second. It comes out easily. And now this is third one. So all these are very healthy plants. Okay, now let me focus on all the side baby plants, and they have a little roots as well, and their roots are usually few roots are there, but they are very hard and thick. Okay, on June 13, 2024, now after some days, now we will try to put these plant, or we will try to propagate these plant in the media. And what about the composition of the media? Our media contains like 50% simple sand and 50% simple garden soil. We have added the sand so that our media will be of a good drainage. More is the drainage, more happy the succulents will be. Okay, now at first time we need to give water thoroughly so that all the media will get soaked. Now let me level the media out. Okay, I'm just tapping it out so that the media will get leveled up. Now you can see that now the condition of the cutting, because these cuttings left in the sun for a lot of days, so they are a little bit dried out, but we will try to propagate these cuttings. So I have put my first cutting, and now we will make holes for the next one. Now this one, okay, and this one. The tool which is in my hand is the sponge forceps that has been used for human surgery. So now I am just zooming it out so that you can see all these cuttings properly. So now we have to keep these cuttings in shade so that they will not get stressed up. Now you can see that this is my little nursery where I used to keep my all sort of results. So now under green net they will be in perfect shade. Okay, on July 16, 2024, as I am doing the voice dubbing, so you will not see the change in my voice. Now you can see that after a lot of days have been passed, and you can see that how good our roots have been developed, and as well as the health of the Zebra haworthia plant. It is now the cuttings are very good in shape. Now they seems to be healthy and greenish. When we used to plant these cuttings, they seems like very dehydrated at that time, but now they are growing well and survived properly. So in this way you can you can propagate your yellow attenuata or zebra haworthia. Now I am just inserting again all my 3 plants inside the pots, inside the media, like this. Although they can live without media for about 1 week or 1 week and a half week. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the yellow haworthia or zebra haworthia from side pups. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.